Good morning students. Today I am going to show in this video how to use PowerPoint projects under the multidisciplinary project for computer subject. Okay, first open the PowerPoint, then you click on the blank presentation. Okay, after that click on the no thanks. Okay students, you have to do the project, at least you have to add 20 slides. Okay, here slide is there. I am adding 20 slides. Minimum 20 will be there. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so this is the interface of the PowerPoint. Let me explain about the menu of the PowerPoint. Okay, this is the home. Insert, draw, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, review and view. These are already have been explained in the previous videos. Okay, so first one is the home. In this menu you are having the font. Okay, here, see here, first I will type here, there it will be so double tap. I am typing. Wait. Okay, so computer project, like this you have to type first one, computer MDP. Okay, so this is, I will explain you one by one. So after typing here you will find the font, bold, italic, underline. If you want to bold, you can select this one, bold. Okay, and italic, and you can do underline. So of course if you want to increase the font size also, you can increase or decrease. Now presently font size is 44. I am increasing the size 36, and if you want more than 44, just select 72, like this. Okay, and color also you can apply. Color also, so you click here, right arrow, and these are the standard colors are there. You check which color is suitable for you. This is color also I am telling you, and this is also. Okay, so next coming to this one, bullets. Okay, if you, so for example, if your heading is like this, I will tell you, I already tell. Yes, so tap them, then devices are there, use the backspace. Example I will tell you, this I will tell the notes I will give you, just you see the notes and type. For example, this is the topic of the devices, and you have to use the bullets and numbering. Okay, just drag it, and these are the bullets. Okay, and this is the numbers. So devices 1 is there, input device. If you type enter, then 2 automatically will come. See here. Output device. Okay, enter, and the storage device. Okay, now in this, like this, you can use the bullets and numbering. Now, so there are 4 alignments are there, as I already told: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment. Okay, so this device I am making the center alignment. See, this is the alignment. Okay, so if you want new slide also you can click. So layout also you can select depending on your title will be there, content picture will be there. Like this you can take title slide, or else you can change that this format also, or else you can change section heading also. Okay, it is your choice depending on the your slide. Okay, so if you want to find any something, for example here I want to find input, clicking here, input. Okay, just click on the search button, then it will show the 1 out of 1. So it will show the input. Okay, see here it is selected as input. Okay, so this is regarding the home menu. Next I will go to the insert. Now this part is very important to insert any pictures, okay, videos, shapes, audio source. Okay, now here I want to insert one picture. Just go to the insert option, pictures, then take the photos. So you take here I am taking which is having the low storage. So the 8.62 is there. This I am uploading, inserting the picture. Okay, so click on the done button. Now here I have inserted. So you can, if you want to rotate, you can rotate the picture also. Okay, or if you want to make small, just you have to do with your finger, 2 fingers only. Again, if you want to rotate, same position, just keep them in a correct position. Okay, so this is, so if you want to make small also, you can just move from here to here like this. Okay, so this is regarding the inserting the picture. Okay, next styles. If you want to apply, you can apply. Styles is very important. Okay, so make circle, or so mostly for PowerPoint presentations we use these styles. I will show you. This also you can use. Okay, so effects you can apply, shadow. Okay, like this. Okay, this part is very important. Styles. Okay, size and position also you can use text. Okay, then insert, again I am going here, pictures, shapes. Okay, here more shapes are there. Okay, lines are there, rectangles are there, basic shapes are there. Okay, all you can insert, and arrows are there, and flowchart is there, star banners is there. Okay, here I am inserting star. Okay, so mostly we use the banners, and if you want to change color also, just use say the color. Okay, and double click here and you can type. So for typing, just you click on the small R button, then automatically keypad will come and you type discount 50 for percentage. You go to the here. Okay, so double tap to increase the font size, or just to select, then go to the fonts option, and here you select the 32. Okay, like this. Okay, so like this also you can insert the shapes. Okay, these are all the shapes is there. whatever, all shapes also you can use, star, banners, callouts. Okay, so this is callouts also. Just move here, double type, just type hi. Okay, and this is regarding the insert under shapes. Smart art also, so smart also is not given here, so we'll move to the next point. Okay, next is going to the draw. I think draw is not necessary here. If you want to draw, but better to go to the design. Now this part is very important to you. So here, if you have check here, just wait. So this, go to the design. Okay, in that themes, if you want to apply themes also you can apply. So my favorite theme is DS Ion Bordeaux. So you can click this theme. Okay, this theme is very good. Okay, or else like this is there. Okay, these themes also you can apply. If you want to change the color also, so you click here and you check the color. Okay, this is not good, the data is not looking, so better to up red color. If it is looking, yes it is there. Okay, we will see white color also. Yes, okay, white color if you apply it will look interesting. Okay, this is the regarding size. Okay, so wide screen will be there, standard also if you want to apply it, but it is not good. You better to take wide screen 16:9. Design, format, background color, themes. So themes you can apply. Next, coming to the transition. Okay, this part is also important. So morph is there. First you have to select the picture, apply morph. The morph is not there, some are not applying in the demo. So curtain, apply to all. Now if you want to see the preview, just click here, just wait. Very good. So like this you can apply the for your project curtain. Okay, so again you want to go to the, just click on the end show, and it will return to the main. Okay, so in these 20 slides, each one you have to use. Okay, this I will tell you in the class. So transitions is there, animation also. Okay, first you select the device, animation, entrance will be there. Okay, after applying, just you click here and you click the review button. Slideshow F5 in desktop mode. Starting the slide. You click here. Just wait. Okay. My mobile is slow. Again you can animation. Okay. Slideshow review. Review is nothing is there, nothing is view. View, in that view you can have the zoom in option. You can zoom and you can zoom out also. If you going and click here, it will increase the size. Zoom out. Fit to window. This is one is the best one. Fit to window. Okay. So this is the simple description of all the menus. And what you have to do is, first you have to take the first slide. Now I'm 20th sir. Go to the first slide. Here you have to type your name, class, section and your project. Okay. In second thing, project, you type the data, whatever you select the project, I will tell in the class. So all things you have to apply, bullet sign numbering, alignments. Okay. And that I will send the PowerPoint to you, same as it is you have to do. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can share your doubts in the WhatsApp group. Okay. After doing that, just how to share the project to the teacher in the WhatsApp. So if your project is completed, then you click on the three dots button and first you save, and you click on the rename this file and type your name. Okay, here I'm taking Ravi 4th AB. If you are A, give A. If you are B, 4th B section, MDB project. Like this you can give and save. Okay, after saving, just you click here. So save as also you can save. PPT is there. So already we have saved here. Just wait. Share. Just wait this. There means PDF option will be there. Just I'm checking here. Wait option. Yes, see here. PDF. Okay, now it is getting file ready. PDF. It is preparing. It takes some time to prepare. Okay, now it is prepared. Now this you have to share to me in the group, or else you can share your file to my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp number. Okay, after this just you click on the to my WhatsApp number. Now it is 20 pages will be there, 20 slides are there. In each slide one thing is there you have to do. Okay, so list of the projects I will give in the class. So you, depending on your choice, you can select them and send to me this project within 2 days. Okay, so please comment. If you have any doubts, feel free to call me. Okay, this is very important. If you learn this one, you have some idea about the PowerPoint. Okay, so watch this video from starting to end. Before going to the project, two times or three times you watch the video, every point. If you watch them, then only you can do the project very easily. Okay, so thank you students. Watch this video, comment, like this video and share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.